Well, Gold Coast Titans recruit David Fifita says his new side can be a top 4 team in 2021. The $1 million recruit will lead the club's new look forward pack, and as Josh Bristow explains, he isn't shy about their chances.
David Fifita has kept a low profile since announcing his $1 million move from Brisbane to the Gold Coast. But he's finally arrived and he's dipping his toes in the water, literally. The 20-year-old felt the sand and saw the sights his new home has to offer.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it, you know. Beautiful day out there, so I can't wait to get to the beach.
It's a homecoming of sorts. Fifita went to high school here at fabled rugby league nursery Keebra Park.
But yeah, it was really hard, you know, my decision, but I have good mates down here too, you know, and I know the Gold Coast really well. So yeah, it wasn't hard. I had an opportunity to go to Sydney, but I didn't want to go to Sydney, so I think this is only an hour away from my house, my home in Brizzy, so it's just down the road.
The Titans have spent big on their forward pack, with Maroons enforcer Tino Fasua-Malaawi also on his way to the Glitters. He can take the Titans from the cellar to the penthouse.
That's the goal, you know, next year, top 8, top 4. Yeah, hopefully we'll do that next year, but I know myself and the boys will train hard in the pre-season, and yeah, can't wait for round 1.
Ankle surgery ruled Fifita out of State of Origin, but he's now fit and ready to rip in for his new club.
No pressure, I just got to play my game, you know, I just got to get my body right. I know I've got to get my body right, and then the rest will look after itself. Probably just build up to my running and stuff like that, and then, but I'll be good for round 1 next year, so yeah.